As for stretches or particular exercises that can help with asthma symptoms, I have not come across any. However, that is not to say that there aren't strategies to utilize for an exerciser with asthma. Some strategies to try are introducing a very long and gradual warm-up period. This can be up to 25 minutes long, and it is important to remain comfortable throughout and just gently increase your heart rate. Another option is to go swimming. Moving your workouts to the pool can help with asthma symptoms because the humidity above the water can help soothe the airways. With both options, it is very important to utilize an equally long cool down, gently lowering